Hello again from SmartWork. We're excited to introduce you to inspiring people and groundbreaking tools that promise to blow away every limit. Ready for a truly surprising experience? Let's go!
This isn't just an automated pan. This machine replicates the wok hai technique, the breath of the wok, a difficult Asian culinary skill, easing the burden on chefs and ensuring perfectly consistent dishes every time.
A genius solution for hard-to-reach places. By replacing ladders, this drone significantly reduces the risk of falls, one of the most common and dangerous workplace accidents.
This onion harvester boosts productivity dozens of times over manual labor. Its intelligent vibrating sieve system separates soil and roots, leaving only clean, ready-to-pack onions.
This isn't just a simple plow. It's a power harrow whose high-speed rotating tines pulverize the soil, creating a perfect fine-tilt seedbed in a single pass.
Instead of a grinder that creates dangerous sparks and uneven cuts, this hydraulic notcher punches a perfect 90-degree corner in a split second, dramatically increasing speed and precision.
This bale unroller is a revolution in livestock farming. It ensures even feed distribution, reduces waste, and saves farmers countless hours of labor every day.
This system uses pneumatic clamps and a robotic arm to position and sew back pockets with absolute precision, a time-consuming and highly skilled task in the garment industry.
This specialized felling machine uses a high-speed saw combined with hydraulic grapples. It ensures the tree falls in a predetermined direction, maximizing safety in populated areas or near structures.
From a lifeless piece of steel, this artisan creates a work of art. The welding and heating techniques require incredible finesse to shape the delicate petals without melting the material. This device uses powerful vacuum suction to lift heavy concrete slabs. It not only saves workers' backs, but also allows for tighter, more precise placement of the pavers. This is a brilliant example of process optimization. With a single fluid motion, the flat cardboard becomes a box, shaving precious seconds off every order during peak hours. The speed and consistency here are astounding. These bakers' hands, trained through thousands of repetitions, have become efficient, living machines. This machine transforms raw corn and greens into nutritious feed pellets. The principle is extrusion, forcing material through a die under high pressure and heat, which also helps preserve the feed for longer. A complex production line in motion. The machine automatically forms the plastic teeth and attaches them to the fabric tape at incredible speed. Millimeter-level precision is critical to the final product's quality. A fantastic invention for small paddies or sloped terrain. It combines the power of a small engine with the principle of a traditional scythe, boosting productivity without the need for a bulky combine harvester. This device acts like a giant sieve, separating small pieces of trash, shells, and debris from fine sand. It's a simple but highly effective solution for keeping beaches pristine. This machine's tungsten carbide cutters allow it to slice through hard soil, gravel, and even tree roots to quickly create irrigation channels or cable trenches. This is a high-precision surface milling machine. It ensures the cylinder head is perfectly flat, a critical factor for engine efficiency and preventing gasket leaks. A classic mechanical design, the large flywheel stores kinetic energy from each turn of the handle, allowing the blade to slice through fodder with minimal effort. It's simple, durable, and requires no electricity.
While this may be a fashion hat, it demonstrates how an industrial sewing machine can create perfect concentric stitches, a task that requires extreme meticulousness when done by hand.
This worker is using a long pole with a specialized knife to shear the tree. This technique shapes the tree into the desired conical form, maximizing its value for the Christmas market. This machine doesn't just chip wood, it pulverizes entire logs into sawdust. The immense force is generated by heavy steel hammers spinning at high speed inside an enclosed chamber. Safety advisory. Operating this machinery requires strict adherence to safety protocols to prevent serious accidents.
A symphony of automation, from dispensing cups, filling precise amounts, and heat sealing the foil lids, the entire process is mechanized to ensure absolute food safety and hygiene.
After chopping the corn stalks, this machine automatically compresses them into cylindrical bales and wraps them in film for silage. A complete process done right on the field.
Unlike a stationary grinder, this mobile mulcher can process trees on site, turning branches and foliage into a beneficial organic layer for the soil. The toothed drum eats through trees with ease.
This attachment solves the most labor-intensive part of haymaking, collecting heavy bales. Its hydraulic arm automatically grabs and stacks them, increasing efficiency and reducing physical strain.
The principle of extrusion at work. After kneading, the dough is forced through a die with tiny holes, creating hundreds of uniform noodles in seconds. No more scissors and chalk. This machine uses a laser to cut fabric based on a digital pattern. It's not only perfectly accurate, but can also cut through multiple layers of fabric at once.
Safety is the priority here. The operator simply places the log and controls the machine remotely. The powerful, large-diameter blade does all the dangerous work. This tool uses immense pressure to clean surfaces. It's far more effective than rollers or brushes, especially on uneven surfaces like brick walls.
A creative and efficient tool. Instead of rolling by hand, this special excavator bucket can form massive, perfect snowballs, ideal for building large-scale snow sculptures. Instead of hammers and manual labor, this machine uses steel rollers to straighten bent rebar, then cuts it to the desired length. It's a key step in recycling construction materials.
A flat sheet of plastic is heated until pliable, then pressed into a mold using air or hydraulic pressure. This technology creates countless items, from vehicle parts to toys.
The eggs are rolled through a mixture of ash or clay and spices, then sent for curing. This conveyor system automates a traditionally labor-intensive process, ensuring each egg is coated uniformly.
An incredible display of speed. This man has turned a tedious job into an art form, using momentum and leverage to stack dozens of chairs in just seconds.
A small but brilliant hack in the food service industry. Using a spigot from a bulk container allows for the rapid, clean, and uniform filling of hundreds of sauce cups.
Thin, taut steel wires act as blades, slicing through the soft clay extrusion to create perfectly sized bricks before they head to the kiln for firing.
This machine not only digs a trench, but simultaneously piles the soil onto high ridges on either side. This design is crucial for proper water drainage and creating optimal growing conditions.
This chef's hands are as fast as any machine. With just a few deft folds and pinches, the thin wrapper and filling become a perfect wonton, ready for the pot.
This takes safety and efficiency to the next level. The worker simply supervises via a smartphone, while the machine automatically cuts the log to pre-programmed lengths. Warning: even when automated, heavy machinery operation always requires careful supervision and safety awareness.
Liquid chemicals are mixed and sprayed, reacting with the air to expand into a porous foam. This layer fills every crack, creating a seamless thermal and acoustic barrier far superior to traditional materials.
A two-in-one process. After being cut, the tree is immediately fed into a baler that wraps it in netting. This contains the branches, making transport and handling much easier.
This machine is designed to clear undergrowth or shred post-harvest residue. The giant rotating drum pulverizes everything in its path, efficiently returning organic matter to the soil. An impressive display of street vending skill. This man uses a custom tool to open a line of soda bottles at lightning speed, turning beverage service into a performance.
On a moving boat, this worker's stability and speed are remarkable. Each scallop is opened and shucked in just a few seconds, a skill that requires immense practice and experience.
From large foam sheets, a press stamps out the soles and straps. Workers then rapidly assemble them on a conveyor belt. Their speed is the key factor in the factory's overall productivity. This is an industrial UV printer, not a 3D printer. It uses a tiny nozzle to deposit droplets of ink or resin onto the phone case, which are then instantly cured by a UV light, creating raised details with high precision. This is the pinnacle of efficiency and showmanship. By using the domino effect, the bartender creates a spectacular display, pouring dozens of layered shots all at once. A simple but extremely useful invention on reclamation sites. The hydraulic jaws easily extract rusted nails from wood, enabling material reuse and ensuring safety.
From simple solutions to complex robotics, human ingenuity truly knows no bounds. Which machine impressed you the most? Let us know. Remember to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next incredible video.